driving a car, a 3-wheel tricycle car. It's pretty cool. I think it's called a Vanderhall.
It's got a Chevy motor and it's turbocharged.
Super fast.
This thing's like a little Indy car. Fast as all heck. We got one of them up in front of us here. And there's a few behind us. We'll give her the old test ride.
Pretty cool.
Watch it. Are the other guys still behind us?
Oh yeah. Not for long.
Cruising down the highway. Going on a demo. Provided buddy don't blow the motor. These things are so cool. $29,000 to get you in the driver's seat. Right, buddy boy?
It's pretty cool. I love it. Things are cool looking and vintage, but yeah, really fast. I get 0 to 60 in less than 4 seconds. And I can attest to that.
Yeah, we've already kicked her a little bit. You can hear the turbocharger kick in on this thing. Whoa, the wastegate, yeah. Pretty nice ride. Yo.
Look at these things. There you get one up close.
Man, are they cool or what? We're loving this thing.
This thing's awesome.
Beyond awesome.
Yeah. Okay, there's a bunch more.